Team, it's Russ. Welcome back to Lawn Journeys 2022. As you can see, the grass isn't up yet, but we do need to get busy. Soil test time. Stick around, I'm going to walk you through this. It's going to take 3 minutes. I highly suggest you do a soil sample so you know how to adjust your soil to maximize your success in the new year. You only need a couple things to get your soil test underway. Number one, soil test kit. Number two, a spade or a soil sample probe. Lastly, cup to collect your samples. For this season, I'm using the Master Your Soil Test Kit provided by Yard Mastery in conjunction with MySoil. The Yard Mastery Soil Test Kit is an all-in-one kit that's easy for anybody to use. It includes simple instructions, a mailing envelope to send your sample back, a sample collection cup, which will allow you to grab the appropriate quantity, and the sample collection jar, which you will ship back to Yard Mastery and Predictive Nutrient Solutions for analysis. I like this kit because it's inclusive, it's easy to use, and you can sample your lawn in a matter of minutes. The included instructions are comprehensive and easy to understand. Collecting a good sample entails collecting soil from 5 to 7 separate locations or spots within your desired testing area or yard. As you can see, I have used the soil collection probe, and I am sampling at a depth of 4 to 6 inches as recommended by the instructions. Be sure to remove the thatch and just collect the soil. Okay team, so I split my samples into 2 batches, and as you can see, I'm combining them here in this box. I'm homogenizing them by breaking the cores up, and also it's very important that the sample should be free of any large material, roots, or other debris, which can potentially interfere with your results. Once the debris is removed, I closed the cover, gave the box a very good shake to really mix the sample, and now we're going to do our collection. Using the provided scoop, collect 1 level scoop of the mixed soil. We're now going to open the sample jar, take the level scoop, fill the jar. Be sure not to pour out the deionized water or the nutrient absorbing capsule. Firmly secure the lid. We're almost done. Easy peasy. Ensure the jar lid is firmly secure once again. Place the jar in the provided postage paid envelope. Now, in case you thought I forgot to record the kit registration number off the jar, no worries, because it is available on the included instructions. There's 2 ways to register. You can use the QR code on the instructions, load the Yard Mastery app onto your smart device and register, or visit yardmastery.com online and register your kit there. Here's a sample of the Yard Mastery Smart app, where I'll show you my results from last season, sample taken on March 5, 2021. As you can see, results are apparent in a bar graph. Fertilizer recommendations are included, and then I have my raw soil data. If you access this on the Yard Mastery website, you can download the results as a PDF file. All right, Lawn Journeys team, very simple process. Get yourself a soil test kit. I have links below to the Yard Mastery kit that you just saw. A lot of people use Soil Savvy. I've used that also. I'll provide a link. And also a link to a couple of the university labs, which is probably the least expensive sampling cost. Some people prefer those. So anyway, guys, there's some debate over what's the best test, the university test. There's different test methods. Obviously, I'm looking for pH, I'm looking for phosphorus and potassium. I know my nitrogen's going to be low, and then of course the micros. And if you can check my video from last year, I did do some pH adjustments during the season that were recommended because I do have low soil pH. I used a particular product which is a little bit more expensive, but you use less. Some people said it's not going to work, so it'll be interesting to see what my pH comes back as. So what I'm asking you to do is watch the next video. I'll have my results, and I'll be doing my first application of the season, which will be what we call my soil adjustment. Last year I used, I think it was like a 12-12-12 product, may have been from Lesco. So we'll see what happens. Really simple process. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys this season on Lawn Journeys.